that's not 175 PSI, but this big bad boy is. Look at that, 7.5 horsepower of thumping air compressing. That's right, 24 CFMs, 90 PSI, 230 single phase, 463 phase. Woo! Now this is a 2-stage pump. You got your big fat piston here, small piston coming in. Oh my God, that's like a 3/4 diameter tube going in to your 80-gallon vertical tank. You got an oil lubricating pump inside. Here's your side glass, and there's an oil guard in case it gets low. Got your cage back here. Does that remind me of high school? I think it does. And don't forget the ASME certified 80-gallon tank, proudly made in the USA.
All jet air compressors are backed with a 3-year warranty and proudly assembled in the USA.